Good morning everyone, this is Happy Jane. It's chilly outside, so today I'm gonna make soft tofu stew. It's very hot and delicious. The ingredients are 306 grams of soft tofu, 120 grams of ground pork, 1 green onion, half of a small onion, a little enoki mushroom, a red pepper or a chili pepper. It's optional. If you don't like so spicy food, you shouldn't add a chili pepper. And 400 milliliters of water. The spices include 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, 2 tablespoons of fine red pepper powder, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of salted tuna, 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic, half tablespoon of ginger syrup, and some black pepper powder. Cut in half and put it in a bowl. And sprinkle some salt and leave it as it is. Finely chop the green onion. Chop the onion. Chop the red pepper. Cut the enoki mushroom like this. Put the sesame oil and cooking oil in an earthen pot. And add the chopped green onion and make green onion oil over medium-low heat. And add ground pork and ginger syrup, black pepper powder, and onion. Stir fry the ingredients well. Keep stir frying until oil sizzles. When the moisture is gone and the oil starts sizzling, add the red pepper powder. The red pepper oil comes out. Add water. Salted tuna, soy sauce, and crushed garlic. And boil it over high heat. Water came out from automatic pressure. Throw away the water. When it boils for over 5 minutes, add soft tofu. And cut it into bite-sized pieces with a spoon. And when it boils again, add enoki mushroom, add red pepper and green onion, green curd, and yolk. And turn off the stove. It keeps boiling because of the earthen pot. Let me try this. We should be very careful because it is so hot. Wow, so delicious. It's great when it's hot. Fantastic flavor. When it's very cold, be sure to make it. You'll love it. Thank you.